Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to enable sensitive content on Telegram. You can follow the same thing on your iOS as well as on the Android phone, right? So to enable sensitive content, on the top left side corner you will see the three horizontal lines. Click on it. Now here sensitive content was available on it in the data on the privacy and settings, but right now it's not available because Telegram have removed this option. You cannot access it from our website, or whether it's a Telegram X or just a normal Telegram. Here you can see there's a no option to enable or disable sensitive content, because in the Telegram doesn't allow sensitive content, right? And that's why they have trying to prevent this each and everything, but you don't have any option to turn this off. And there's a lot of videos, they are just spreading misinformation, because in the older times, around 2-3 years back, there was an option, but right now it's not available. And this is it. I hope you found this information really useful. Subscribe.